Anna, what are you up to today?
Karen, we're here today because it's our community planting day.
And who's here? What's going on?
Well, we have got just members of the community, neighbours from the street, further in church and here as well. Here because we have made a plan to restore this waterway.
Let's have a look here. Okay, so tell me a bit about the waterway and what's been happening with it.
So formerly it was probably known as a stormwater drain and treated as such. And to use Karen's words from this morning, we want to increase the mana and the mauri of the stream. And so we are planting it up, taking care of it, making it look beautiful, making it a beautiful place for creatures to live in.
And is there much living in it at the moment, Anna?
We have done some little nighttime explorations with torches and things, and I can say there are a lot of Cody.
Coda?
Coda?
Yep.
Not so many Cody.
Not so many.
Coda. That's the main one I know of. Do you know of any more?
No, I think that's the main thing that I've seen as well.
Yeah.
And I had another question, but it's gone.
Well,
so.
I've got something.
Yeah.
Speaking on behalf of the Tribe Church, it's been an awesome way because we're an eco church with the Rocha, and so it's been a really amazing way to connect with the community, to get to know our neighbours, and to look after this place that we're situated over there at Moss Hall is where we worship. And so this is a beautiful extension of that, to come out here and look after God's creation.
Awesome, Anna. And I feel the same as a neighbour of the stream. It's lovely to be able to work on something that's right beside where I live and that I see every day, and that I can keep an eye on it. How easy or hard is what you're doing there? It looks like you're having to put in a bit of effort.
It's a little bit stony, bit of clay, but lots of rain has made it nice and moist, so reasonably easy digging today. If you can brave the probably -2 air degree temperature that's out there today.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive actually, all these people. What's your involvement been?
Oh, we're neighbours and we often walk past there, and obviously in the past it's looked like a bit of a dump, so we've thought we'd help out making it a little bit more in keeping with what it should have been many years ago.
Oh, that's awesome, Giuseppe. So Nikki, what's your involvement with this project?
Hey, kia ora, Karen. Hey, I'm lucky enough to get involved with people here at Awatotara project, and I'm getting some funding from the YP2K Trust to help out coordinating here. So far, it's a pretty easy job, but look at the awesome people that actually do planting every time we do it.
Oh, I think everybody has really appreciated what you've brought, Nikki. A calm and cool head and a lot of experience. It's fantastic.